cap, then tap, then giant, then stall, then cap, then tap, then giant. And we could do a drop stall if you would prefer, or we could do I think this one's easier where you go out to the side. So bum, 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 and then stall, and bum, 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 tap, tap, giant, stall out to the side, bum, 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 tap, giant, stall out to the side, bum, 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 bum. Whoopsie! From here, the right hand is going to come down and you tap the foot. And then as soon as you tap the foot, you go into the giant. So you're doing this in front of your body. On the extension down, what you do is, if I show you from the side, on the extension down, you lift your foot. And as you lift your foot, you bisect the poi so that it changes direction. So cap, and then as it's coming down in the extension, you hit the foot and turn. To come out of the giant, right, so you're here, you tap, you're in the giant. Then to come out of it, you take your right hand, stall out, and then bring them back up into the cap. So cap, tap, giant, stall, cap, tap, giant, stall, cap, tap, giant, stall, cap, tap, giant, stall. Remember when you're doing your cap to go out more to the side. Because you're doing it like this where you're raising your hands up. Pop it out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. And then what I'm doing with my left hand is I'm just letting it do an extra beat here while it's waiting for the right hand to do its thing. Or here, in one of those places. If you're not comfortable going from, like, you do your cap, you turn, you do your giant. If you need the time to just bring it into the butterfly before, then do that. And that's fine. And then eventually you can eliminate the butterfly if you want to.